So, first stop for the day has been Waterfalls, a little place I've always wanted to come to. Actually, a super cool waterfall. Here with Sam, Auntie Katie, and we're gonna go fetch Jess from work, head home, pack the cooler box, and let the rest of the day happen. Not gonna lie, super fun weekend. Yesterday we spent some time up at Waterfalls. Then we went to Shongweni Valley where we did a bit of a 4x4 session, went down into the valley, along the train tracks, to that waterfall that everyone kind of goes to. At the moment we are walking again back at Giba Gorge. We're going to another waterfall that's not marked or on any trail, and seen some photographs. It looks insane, but I'll leave that up for you guys to see. And yeah, epic way to end off the weekend. Okay, we made it to the first big waterfall, flew the drone, got some epic shots, but as you can hear, I'm out of breath. It's quite a hike, I'm not gonna lie. If you're unfit, make it to this third waterfall, you're gonna sweat. Yeah, so lucky to be out here. We've got a bit of a bundle bash now off of the beaten track. There's no actual markings to this third waterfall, but we made it this far and we're definitely gonna get there. What's going on, guys? We've had the most insane weekend. We have visited 4 different waterfalls. Yesterday afternoon we did a bit of 4x4ing up the side of the mountain, sundowners with the most beautiful sunsets, and now we're ending off the weekend at Giba Gorge. We're back here again. We came to a waterfall the other day and there was actually another waterfall just behind that, so we had to come and check it out. So can't wait to show you guys what footage we've shot, and it's just the best way to, you know, for us to spend a weekend. Sorry, I'm a little bit out of breath here. Jeez, need to go to the gym. But for us, it's spending time outdoors, doing things we love. It's the only way. I mean, we're in this whole pandemic, and you know, this is our release. This is getting out. This is making it happen, seeing new things. And how can you not be happy in an environment like this?